Jai to all. Welcome back to my IT tutorials. And today I'm going to cover the season 2 of unit 2, that is linking spreadsheet data. Now linking is basically the association of more than one sheets in Excel book. One sheet is never enough to work in real life situation. Just think about a company having many regional offices are located or situated in different cities, and he has to maintain the data of all the regional offices. Definitely he would like to have a one seat dedicated for the one regional office and second seat dedicated for the second regional office, and likewise. That's why in a spreadsheet package we have a many seats are visible. At least 3 seats are visible by default, and we can add a number of seats according to our desire or according to our requirement. So today basically we'll see how to insert a new sheet in Excel once it's required, how to rename a sheet, how to link a sheet with some other sheet. We'll also see how to update the data. Then we'll also see how to hyperlink a sheet particular cell with some data, and the linking to the external data, that option also I'll demonstrate here. And last of course option is linking to the registered data source. So we'll also see how the Excel can help you to have a data from a database which is a registered database. Now registered database is any database which have extension ODB, or you may say OpenOffice, any database that you created is a registered database, so you can hire the data from the registered database into the Excel sheet. These are the objectives of today. Now one by one I'll demonstrate all options, and I hope you'll enjoy this video, you'll like that video also, and kindly don't miss to subscribe, because once you subscribe this video, you will come to know about my next video arrival instantly, immediately, without a delay. So kindly must like and subscribe this video. Now let's see how practically this linking spreadsheet data, that is units 2 session 2nd, will be accomplished on computer. Now I'll share my screen and you will see a step-by-step procedure to accomplish the task. Just wait. Now just start the OpenOffice spreadsheet package first, and to start the OpenOffice just click on the OpenOffice 4.1.7. this is a version that I'm having, and click on the OpenOffice calculator. Now once you will click on the OpenOffice calculator, you will be in the spreadsheet. Now from here onward you can see now Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, these are the default sheets we have in spreadsheets. You can rename this sheet also. So if I want to rename it, just double click on it. It is asking you the name, and give the name, for example Jan, and say OK. You'll see that sheet 1 name has been renamed by Jan 1. Just double click on the sheet 2 and say Fab. Now the second sheet I renamed it the Fab, and third sheet just say March. Now these are the 3 sheets are having. Now if it is required the 4th sheet, then simply you click wherever we have a last sheet after it. Once you will click, it is asking you insert sheet, and here you can say before current sheet and you can say after current sheet. If I have need to insert a sheet after the March, then I have to go after the current sheet. By default it is taking the name sheet 4. You can leave it or you can rename it. Suppose after March I want April, so you can simply say APR and just say OK. What you are seeing here, we have already inserted a sheet April after the March, and likewise you can keep on adding a new sheet in a spreadsheet package under OpenOffice calculator. I hope this much is very clear how to seat a particular sheet, how to insert a new sheet, and how to rename a particular sheet. Now how to link a particular sheet with some other sheet, that steps is the first objectives of today. How to link a sheet. Now I'm trying to link Jan sheet in the February sheet. What I have to do, I have to go to the February And first and foremost, if I want to use a keyboard, then I have to type equal to and then seat name. My seat name is Jan. As you all can see, Jan is the first seat. Jan dot, you can say A1. This is a cell reference I want to give. It means the Jan, column A and row 1. And I'm saying star 5. Now this is a formula I applied in the fab. Here you are getting the 0 since in Jan cell A1 nothing is written. Now I'm just typing the 5000 here and you just press enter. Go to the fab and you can see it's a 25,000 it is showing. What basically happened here in the fab, since this formula if you'll see carefully, it is a Jan A1 star 5. It means whatever data are there in the January and cell A1 will be multiplied by 5. And if you'll see the Jan data, it is a 5,000. That's why in the February, it is showing you 25,000. This is a by keyboard or through keyboard you can do it. Now same thing if you want to do by help of suppose mouse and without the keyboard, that can be also done. Now let's see. In February, I want to give a reference of January some reference. So just say equal to, click on the Jan and select the cell that you want. C5 I am taking and again you can say star and 5. Just press enter. You can go to the Jan and in the C5 you can give any data whatever you like to have. Press enter. In the February you will see that 1000 amount has been multiplied by 5 because the formula I had given Jan dot C5. It means either through the keyboard or through the mouse you can do this, and that is how to link one seat data into the other seat, and likewise you can link the February data in the March seat or March data with in April seat and likewise. Now next is, so this part was a linking and I hope linking must be very again clear to you all. Now hyperlink to a seat. Seat can be hyperlink also. Now in the January, suppose this B1 cell I want to hyperlink. Simply you click on the cell that you want to hyperlink. Any cell you can say, suppose G1 I have taken or I have taken. Then just in the standard toolbar we have option hyperlink. Click on it. Now once you click on the hyperlink, it is asking you the path. Now in case of path, you just click on this folder. And once you click on this folder, it may take you to the particular again file. If it is taking, it's fine. Otherwise you have to try. From the left pane, you have to take the documents, and from the path, you have to take the path. Now it's not responding, maybe due to some reason. So I'm just again closing it. And I'll show you again how to hyperlink it. Maybe there is some problem. So just I'm ending it. Just start the OpenOffice again, because maybe due to some reason it's hanged, and go to the calculator. Now after going to the calculator, either you can say start recovery, the same sheet will be open, say next. Now here we are, just close it, click on any cell and then go to the hyperlink. Once you will click on hyperlink, from here you have to take the documents. So document I want to hyperlink, and then from here you have to click on it. Now it is showing you a dialog box from where you can select the file with which you want to link. Suppose I want to link with a file, any Excel file or any document file you can take. So maybe curriculum vitae, Munna I'm selecting as a file and just say open. Now it is asking you the target again. This you can go for the target. Suppose this file have a particular section and you want to link with that section, then only it is required. Otherwise simply you say apply, say close. And what you are seeing here, this cell in which my cursor was already linked with this document, and once you click on it, it will open this Word file that is curriculum bite_munna.doc, and this is how to hyperlink. So I hope the hyperlink part is very easy to understand. Only you have to keep the cursor to the particular cell, and this is a hyperlink symbol. So click on it. Moment you'll click, it is asking you the what document you want, with whom you want to hyperlink. So you have to take the document, because it can be mail also, it can be new document that you would like to create. So select the document, go to the document that you want to select or that you want to link. Any document name, suppose Atal banner I have taken, and say open. And once you had selected, simply say apply and close. And you are getting the path, click on it. You will see a PDF file is about to start. And this is how we can link Excel sheet or Excel cell with a document, that is called hyperlink. Now, in case of hyperlink, there are two kind of paths. You must be seeing here c:/user/misra/desktop/atal_banner.pdf. It's a complete path of my file with which I linked. And this kind of link is known as complete absolute link, because it is referring from the main root till the last again file name. If this kind of reference I don't want to use, if I want to refer the current location where I am, then directly I can start slash and then file name. It means wherever I am currently, I want to refer that, and that's called relative reference. So there are two kind of reference we have in the hyperlink. One is called relative reference. In case of relative reference, we are giving the reference of our relative position. So we are simply giving the slash and the file name. It means it's understood that wherever I am currently, the file must be again at same location. But if I want to refer the complete path, that is called absolute referencing. And in that case, we have to use the root directory. Here it is a C colon, as you all must be seeing, and then user, then Mishra and the desktop. Complete path of the file is called absolute reference. And these are the two kind of references we have in the hyperlink. Now, linking to the external data. Next topic is how to link with external data. To link with external data, you keep the cursor to any place or any cell, and then go to the go to the insert and say link to the external data. Now, since I want to link to the external data, so I have to keep my cursor to a particular cell, into a particular cell, and then click on the link to external data. Once you will click on the link to external data, it is asking about the URL. Now here you have to give any HTML file name with which you want to link. I'm just referring my one HTML file. As you can see here, it's a P, name P, and symbol as you are seeing is a S symbol, that is a Internet Explorer kind of things, and that is HTML file. Say open. Once you click on open, it will show you this dialog box where it is asking select the language to use for import. Say automatic, that is a by default, and say OK. Here you are seeing it is showing you the all again things that is the part of that file. So HTML all and HTML. Basically, a table that has been designed in the HTML can be again refer here as an external data. So here I'm selecting the HTML all and say OK, say no. You are getting the data of HTML that I had created in the P file here in the Excel, and that is how to link with the external data. Now the last topic of today is linking to the registered data source. And to link with the registered data source, you have to just again keep the cursor anywhere, go to any sheet where you want to link it, and either you can press the F4 or you can go to the view and data source. So these both options are there. You can click on the view and you can say data source. You are getting here data source. F4 is a shortcut key. Click on it. You will get the all registered database here. As you can see, the bibliography is one of the registered data. Click on that database and then click on the table. The moment you will click on the table, it will show you all the table which are there under that database. And just double click on it, you will see the all data of that table here in the Excel sheet. If I want to keep any data in my Excel sheet, just again click on that data like this and drag it to the sheet where you want to keep it. So as you are seeing, this complete data can be dragged like this, entire data can be dragged, and this way you can get the any data, base data which are registered in the Excel sheet. And this was the last topic, and I hope everything's whatever we had discussed today, like how to insert a new sheet, how to rename a sheet, how to link a sheet, how to link a cell with as a hyperlink, and then how to again have external data, and then how to get the data from a database, that is a registered database, into the Excel sheet. Kindly watch this video again and again, and let me know if there is any query. Write in the comment box so that I'll get back to you. Thank you all. Kindly subscribe and like this video also. Thank you.